Great slab. People like to go over there.
We're gonna have to push them off so we can have it.
Yeah. Be like lunchtime. Ooh,
Robin.
redbird.
Cardinal.
Cardinal.
Robin.
Goodbye.
Bye. It was pretty.
I think we did touch a plant.
Don't say that.
Concrete slab.
Sunlight is painting. Somebody wrote that on the side thing.
What?
Somebody wrote sunlight is painting
What
on
does
the
that
thing. I think that it just means that like it has an effect on the things around it. You know, and without sunlight we literally wouldn't have color. You're gonna be able to see.
So deep.
These are assumptions in the moment. Another one. Bye,
Ooh,
Cardinal.
ooh, ooh.
And
Ooh.
a female. Oh. They were having a little rendezvous.
Ah, we ruined it.
This is where we
Ruined
go.
their scandal. Eat mud. Steps in it. Ew. Concrete slab. Has branches on it, but we can eat here.
Yes, we can. Successful chasing off.
Ha.
Hey, where do we eat?
Wherever we want.
I like this.
Let's do it. Food time.